Okay guys, we can unbox the new iPhone 12. It just came out today, and look at the box, man. It's so thin. It's totally different with the box of iPhone 11. I'll check see if we compare to the box of iPhone 11. It's so thick. The iPhone 11 this is the iPhone 12. It just came out today. We're just gonna open it, check it out. Let's see the plastic. By the way, guys, this is the 512. The memory, it's 512 gig. This is the iPhone 12 Pro, and navy blue color. That's the phone itself. Okay, it's not plastic anymore. It's the phone itself. And wow, sticker is supposed to be 2. Now it's 1. SIM card tool. And the charger. There's no more brick anymore. Just the charger itself. That's it. And that's the phone, guys. Not bad.